Hello everyone, my name is Jake Trent, and welcome to my course on styling React components. In this course, we'll learn different strategies to connect CSS styles to our React components. It'll be fun to try them out and compare them. Some of the major topics we'll cover include the state of styling in React, the distinctive qualities of each mode of styling, real-world scenarios that will come up in your styling of React components, and potential project configurations that will support this styling. By the end of the course, you'll be able to choose and use styling approaches that fit you and your next React project. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of React and CSS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn these great styling techniques with the Styling React Components course at Pluralsight.